Hello and welcome to the first video of Elevate You. Today we'll be starting with ABCD. Yes, you heard it right, ABCD. Now you might think, why are we starting with ABCD and we already know ABCD? So let me give you the context. So we Indians have very thick accent, and because of that we are not pronouncing the alphabets in their correct order. And that's where I thought of starting this Elevate You channel's first video with the ABCD and their correct pronunciation. So let's begin. So first is A. It's pronounced as A. Usually we have a habit of saying it A, Ye, something sort of, but it's not that, but it's A. Then the second is B, B, C, C, D, D, it's E, E, and next is F. Most of the people I have heard saying it as Yup, Yup, or Yuff, Yuff. Try avoiding that and say it as F, F. Next is G, H. I've seen a lot of people saying it as Yach, or Yach, or H, which is wrong. It is H, H. I have seen North Indian people saying it as I, but it's I. J, I've heard people saying it as Z, Z, but it's actually J, J. K, K. This is L, L. I've seen people saying it as Yel. Mostly Maharashtrian people saying it as Yel, Yel. It's L, M, and not Yum, not Yum. It's M, N, not Yen, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R. I've seen people extending the R as R, R, R. It's R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V. A lot of people say it as we, but it's we. W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z or Z, Z or Z. Let's quickly repeat it. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and not I, J and not J, K, L and not L, M and not Yum, N and not Yen, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and not V, W, X, Y, Z. That's it for today. If you want to improve your English and want to speak confidently and fluently in English, consider subscribing to Elevate You YouTube channel so that you'll improve your English and speak with confidence. Thank you.